What's up, guys? Captain Crunchers here. Today we're gonna do a Firework Stash of 2019. So we got Purple Rain, Killer Bees, Pink Diamonds, Red Devil, Spiral Light, Crackling Cactus, Power On, Magic Beans, Lucky Irish, Electrolytes, American Spirit, Scissor, Thunder Snow, Windy, Killer Bees, Valley Blue Madness, Citrus, California Sunrise, Killer Bees, Jitterbugs, Crackling Cactus, Killer Bees, Soda Pop, Illuminati Triangle, Brouhaha, Hasta La Vista Baby, Moon Dance Premiere, and Phantom Pixie Dust. So those are all my Firework Stash here. So that's Phantom, a discount. This is TNT, and well, I'm just gonna end that video right now. So see me on Snapchat, see me on Instagram, see me on Facebook, see me on Twitter. Click like if you enjoyed that video. Make sure you subscribe for more content information, for more live streamings, gamings, and food reviews, and more. So remember me. I'm Captain Crunchers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.